Yeah. Great things in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor the Selassie the First. You see, no enough big man will want to hear that one, yeah. You see, yo, tell you this. On the first rule, when you go to jail, no matter who you is, your friend will tell you. No make no man tell you to dance. You can't dance in a room full of man and wind up yourself. You can't do that. A go your turn. A bowing business that is like your thing can't come back up. No matter how you is. Yeah, you can't sing and you can't read. People with clown you like that thing and tell you, yo, show the new dance and rate it. Me I draw you back to a time now in the 90s, early 90s, JP, when real revolutionary they are prison. No disrespect. Me hear bad never go around in a video talk about Tommy Lee in a prisoner enjoy himself and a dance and them telling you this. A go thing that. You know, see, no disrespect me not care down the youth or nothing, but any man tell you about, yo, I'm see the new dance or make you a dance or have you a dance. I bow him basically, I bow you up in my rate you. Where's the man I film it and I put it on social media and them thing there. Big boy thing that every man from back in the day can tell you. You know, see, come like some man change the rule and I go down some different road to a star. You know, so me I say, me know a certain other prisoner in a prison right now. I go, no disrespect. Me nah tell a lie. I hate that thing that. Okay, that thing that Monday in a prison, Tamale in a prison, boy, you dance up yourself and whether you dance and sing and clown out yourself or entertain. Sing some lyrics. Sit down and hold the ends with the meds and sing some lyrics to the youth. The moment the youth them enjoy themselves and know say you don't know. You know, see it, I road I do it, or whatever. Me can't let a boy wind up yourself on video and go on like so. I show no man, no skank, nor nothing, man, or nothing at all. No form of music movements, man. You know, see it. Me don't know what kind of direction you know, take the thing and carry the thing gone. You know, me tell you, say, you know, move your body in that in a crowd when a man then worry for a crowd, especially in a jail. Because we don't know the stigma going on. I mean, you know, move your body and get a farm and the man not joy. The man not forget no joy after your body movement when you lock up in a blood. When you lock up in a place with be a man for a certain length of time. You know, see, them things that happen back in the day, I tell you from experience, and I'm not telling you a lie, you know. I'm going to say my old prisoner, them commenting and sound of thing, you know. Make some youth know, say them deviate from the thing and them respect kind of them. You know, see, unless I own and teach them the reality and I show them the things, so I kind of think that man in a jail and dance. You know, dance in a jail, you know, dance in a jail under no circumstance in a dance and a crowd of man. You know, say, no make no man, you can't entertain no man in a jail. What do you them gone with them thing here? What kind of that thing? This all not talk about man in a jail, a party and enjoy himself and all them thing there. I hear that motivation, that rasta. Them thing that no gun over man. Them thing that dim thing man. Them thing that no light, no there at the end of them tunnel the man. You know, see, she even bring in a tunnel argument and all that because that look a weird man I wind up himself in a dance. Yo, in a cell. Yo, I'll tell you something. Back in the day, man, in a jail, man, it's because jail I say, anything will drop on the floor, bow, If a water drop him button on the ground, him nah pick it up. Because I'm not one of the prisoner them saying bow. Prisoner saying bow, him bow. You can't touch them. Literally can't touch them. You know, see. If you drop your soap, man, anything you drop on the passage, you can't pick it up your bow. You know, see. You can't have some of the rules, and now have some of the nether rules. You know, see. When you come in that prison, the first thing the old prisoner them do, I teach you the rules. from your militant youth and make you know the whole 100 and things like that. Let's see, some man show a video and I make it look like, so well then a Merry Christmas to some man happy in a jail and thing like that. Yo, I'm the first artist this got prison, you know. All the artists got prison from a long time. Ninja Man, CM Jackie there. You know, see Zebra and all of them man there. Ninja Man got prison whole heap of time. And no man can't get Ninja Man for dance. Ninja Man can DJ. And the next thing again, Ninja Man there, I'm sure Ninja Man there GP whole heap of time when prison concert I keep. And no man can't get Ninja Man for even DJ. You know, see, because the man I make you know straight him a prison him there as prisoner. You know, see, regardless. We can't quite remember still, but you don't know. But there I see Ninja Man come up on about 2 occasions. But there I see Zebra there. See, all the people other DJ, little DJ, young DJ, and them way them sit there. You know, see, yeah. First thing a man come, a man now tell you the whole exact rules, you know, kind of man now hide no bowers. You know. I'm gonna ask you certain trick question, and if you don't answer them right, you know, you are bow up yourself, you know. You know, see, like for instance, a man ask a man if he ever got go club yet. Yeah, you mean, yo, you ever get a girl yet? You ever get a go girl yet? Yeah, I mean, I mean, get no girl like so well then just get girl number and never carry home none of them yet. Like me, I'm a friend over there, so. You as a new prisoner now jump up and I mean, I'm show them enough of them, and I'm man over there, so I say, that get, but that say them girl chick it, them girl will make you sleep in them bed and you know, get nothing. And I see you go down the line till you end up to you kiss this, you kiss neck, you suck breast and and tell a man everything. You know, see it? Be a trick question all night and buy a man in your bow and they never know. You know, see it? The dancing thing are one of them. My first thing I'm gonna ask you, what the new dance out the road? And you tell a man, and play. And the man says, yo, show me it. You know? Let's see. I'm just show me the dance there, you jump up like a big punk. I just saw me if you the whole scenario with Tabby. You just jump up like a punk and just start shooting the dance right there. A long time I tell yourself a love bomb buckler badness kind of know where you are though. You know say you're going to prison and dance up yourself now on social media. You know say break the rule. You can't no can't tell me nothing. A boy think that. Man have you go out you out in a Jamaica prison. Big that thing that. No man no get you dance and a laugh in a jail like you're a clown. Go ask the teacher. It's not like this. No man no get you dance in a confinement like you're a punk and a laugh. You know, see if you flash to lyrics, and them you know, lyrics that come behind the thing, you just there wind up yourself. One to you in front of a man. One to you, tell you you're a bad man long time, you know. Tell yourself you love certain things, you know, you take care of your mother and make your mother proud, because your mother not grow you a certain way, and you never have the need to live certain way, you know, from see you, I know that, you know. You know, see, I don't know nothing about you, I don't know your mother. I don't know your road where you come from or nothing, but I just know that boy you know dancer. Yeah, the mother must feel that way. I hear that thing that big, no matter what kind of drugs or what kind of alcohol you're under in a prison. Bad man not dance for man. I tell you that. Bad man a dance, man a big hear that thing that I say one of the #1 rule that of all. You know, dance and entertain no man in a confinement prison like that, man. You talk about, man. No, man, and this me say you cock out your body. The dance look like a beer cock out body business here at the time, you know. Me not tell a lie. Go your turn. Go your turn, Rasta. Go on prison, go and turn. Go. Dance, man, and them thing there, yo. Man, Man, you endorse that Rasta. I'm not telling lie. Yo, that go against the rule. All OG from Jamaica will know the whole thing. No, sir. You go against the grain.